Good morning, guys. So it is Wednesday. I have an counseling appointment this morning. It's 7:28. I'm worn out. Like, oh my gosh. I've had the flu for I don't know how many days. Top of that, it's that time of the month. If you guys know anything about my time of the month, it drains me. So 2 things draining me. It's been rough. Needless to say, my house is in shambles. But we are going to sign the lease today on my dream house. And I wanted to take you guys along with me as I sign the paperwork, because this is like such a huge deal. Plus I have a super busy day, so we can clean together, we can talk. I'm about to go put on some makeup. Trying to wake up. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm so tired. But yes, it is Wednesday. Lots planned today. I mean, this was my first weekend that, like I said, I just like stayed in bed and literally did nothing the whole entire weekend long because I couldn't move. It was really hard. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and I'll meet you guys back here or something. I don't know. Oh, it's time to get Ava up. Should we get her up together? Let's get her up together. This is a mess too in here. Oh, wake up, princess. Is it okay that I have a camera in your face? I'm gonna take it away. She's not a talker in the morning. Everyone say hey to Bella. Look at her. Hey. Hey. Tell everyone hey. How excited are you for your yard? How excited are you for your new yard? I wish that I could take Bella with me. I was like so wanting to. The kids have not seen the house yet, by the way. So they have only seen video of it. So they're going to go and they're going to like pick out their rooms today. And they're going to like look at the house. And I so wanted to bring Bella with me. I was like, I want her to come, you know, I want her to like see her new home and see how she's going to react to her new backyard. But whenever it is that she's able to come to the house, I will definitely vlog that, because I am so excited to see her reaction. Because coming from this house and with it being so small and then going to the bigger house, she's probably going to flip out. All right, I got to get Ava up, get some makeup on, and get my butt to counseling. Y'all, I am on the struggle bus today. Like, I am so tired. Oh, I'm like, I've got to fight this because I have so much. Why is my hair so shiny? It looks super oily right there. When did that happen? Oh, dry shampoo to the rescue. Yeah, I'm like sitting here trying to do my makeup and like not focus on how tired I am, but oh my gosh. How much sleep did I get last night? I'm exhausted. I didn't go to sleep till midnight? Oh, that's probably why. I mean, I still got 6 hours and 20 minutes of sleep, but I don't know. There was something I was going to tell you. I'm just dragging and I don't want to go now, and I'm just kind of like, I have so much to do. Oh, that's not my camera. I have 3 try-ons that I need to film. I need to go to the house today. Then after that, like, all of the stuff happens where I've got to hire movers, and then I've got to get people to see if they want to help me. I don't necessarily need people to help me like pack or unpack. I more so need people to help me put things up on the wall, because I'm not good at it. Anyways, let me get back to putting on my makeup. Thought maybe talking would help. But nothing is helping me right now. I'm worn out. It is 4 o'clock. And my house is still a mess. My mom did. My mom did help me clean a little. Y'all, I'm still like so exhausted. Her and I were watching a movie and I fell asleep. Like I am just this cold flu. There's my cutie. Whatever it is kicking my butt, y'all. So dinner in the crock pot, super easy chicken and rice. Of course, that crock pot video will be coming up soon. Y'all, don't look at my mess. Seriously. I'm gonna have to do this. Hopefully I can muster up some energy to do it tonight. But we're gonna go sign a lease. I'm so excited. The kids haven't seen the house yet, so they get to go see the house. And I wish I could bring Bella. I cannot wait to see Bella running around the house and in her yard.
We're bringing Bella?
No, and all that stuff. But obviously I'm not gonna bring her now. But yeah, we're gonna go sign a lease and I will see you guys in a few. So we are back home from our new home, back to our old home. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are so excited. What did you think, Kentrell?
I thought it was awesome and it's big.
Ava, what did you think of our new house?
It was horrible. Just kidding. It was amazing and I loved it. And it's amazing and I like it so much.
So yes, I signed the lease, y'all. Seriously.
Hey, put it back on me. Put it back.
Oh, excuse me, beautiful.
School is so hard.
So hard. My bedroom, I'm excited. My bathroom, I'm excited. Like, my closet, I'm excited. Like, this house, I can't wait for you to see it, Bella. Oh my gosh. Look, y'all. I just cleaned this, like, not that long ago, and already it needs to be cleaned. So, I want to talk to y'all real quick. And I want to give you some encouragement because 3 years ago, I moved into this home and I became a single mom. There have been lots of ups and downs. There have been many changes in this house. I got divorced last year while we were living here. My ex-husband did come and live here in 2018 to January 2019. So he's come and lived. It's one of those things where it's time to move on and it's time to let this place go. This place served its purpose. And I am just beyond proud of myself for how hard I've worked to get to me being able to rent this home. And it is a dream come true. It is, y'all, when you hear about the story about this home, it's amazing. And I will tell you when I do like the house tour. So definitely look out for that because that will be coming up. And I do have 3 house hunting vlogs. This was actually a really fun experience. I really had a lot of fun house hunting, and it just kind of got me in this mode of like thinking, I mean, if you have ever seen this house is big, but it's small, you know, and there's 3 of us here, and I feel like we're just always up underneath each other. The kids currently share a room, which actually Ava just sleeps with me every night pretty much, so but all of her stuff is still in that bedroom. They've been sharing a room this whole time pretty much. They're like at the age where they just need their own space. They need their own individuality. It's time. And it's like almost like it couldn't be like more perfect. It's so bittersweet because this house proved to myself, like I proved to myself in this home that like I can do this. And I encourage women all the time to not settle for anything in life. And when it comes to men and relationships, like if you hear my dating stories, like I'm not just gonna deal with any crap. Like I'm gonna be extremely picky because there's so much more to life than being miserable with a partner. I just want to encourage anyone out there to not settle in life, not settle at your job, not settle with your home, not settle with your car, not settle with your significant other. If you want something bigger and better for your life, go out there and chase whatever it is that your dream is. Go after your dreams. And dreams don't necessarily have to be money making dreams. If you are happy being a teacher and that's your dream, then go after it. And don't let people make you feel bad, like, oh, well, then you'll never own that home that you want to own, or something like that. Like, don't ever make people feel bad about your choices. It is your life to live, and they're not the ones that have to wake up every single day going to that job. They're not the ones who have to wake up every single day with that, significant other. Like, don't allow people to tell you what to do. And being on YouTube and social media and sharing my life so much, people are so quick to judge and be like, you should be doing this and you need to be doing that and blah, blah, blah. And I'm telling you guys, if I let the people get into my head, if I let people that were close to me get in my head and tell me I was crazy, I would not be about to move into this home. I would have had to have settled and just, either continued to live here another year or found a home that wasn't necessarily more like dream status home for me. So I just want to encourage you, follow your dreams, follow your passion, follow your heart. Obviously, you still gotta be smart financially about things, and I find that I'm very smart financially about things. I'm also very much so a risk taker as well, but I know how to handle things. And like I said, that's one thing that this house taught me, is that I know how to handle this shit. Like, this is my household and I paid for everything myself. Never have I had to ask anyone for any money, and I'm just so incredibly proud of myself. And I want to encourage women out there to know that there is a better life. If you are living in an abusive marriage or abusive situation, there's help out there. There is just you gotta make a plan, and you gotta just follow through with it and know that you can do it. And I'm telling you, the thing that got me this far was faith. My faith in God, and knowing and trusting every single month He was going to take care of me. Last summer, I literally did not know how I was going to pay my bills most months. I would come on here and I would cry and I would complain, and I was just so miserable. And I look back at how much my life has changed financially, and it's just like, just that little push, or just that little kind of breakthrough kind of made it to where it could be like, oh my gosh, this is something. Like, going back to living off of faith, I always knew every single month, I never worried about how my rent was going to get paid. I never worried about how my bills were going to get paid. I never worried about how I was going to put food on the table. Like, every single month, God came through with sponsorships if my YouTube income wasn't there, or with money from Poshmark, or unexpected commission checks. Like, it was just amazing to see the power and the miracles that happened. I'm gonna stop talking because I can't stop coughing. I love you guys so much. If you guys are new to this channel, you don't know much about me, but I'm very much so an open book, and I cannot wait to continue to share my story with you guys, because anything is possible, y'all. I'm telling you, when I moved into this house 3 years ago, I honestly did not think that I would be standing here 3 years later going, I just signed the lease to my dream home. Like, never in a million years. It's like I manifested it, and I said, oh, I'm gonna live in this neighborhood. Oh, I'm gonna live in one of these houses. But did I think it was gonna happen this quickly? No, I did not. But that just goes to show, keep the faith, keep working your butt off, hustle. I have to sacrifice so much. At this point, I'm sacrificing a social life, and I'm happy with that, because I'm about to move into my dream home. Instead of partying every Friday night, I've worked my tail off to get my channel where it is, and I worked my tail off at that contract job, and I don't know, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. If you get anything out of this video, I just want you to get the fact that you can do anything that you put your mind to, and I mean anything. If you want to be a millionaire one day, you put your mind to it and you put your heart to it and you work at it and you work at it, the thing that you have to be is super determined. And you can't let people get in your head, because that's the first way the devil will come at you, especially with people that are super close to you. And they won't believe in you, or they won't think that you can do it, and they'll say things to try to put you down. And it's just the way that the devil like tries to attack you, because he wants you to stay in that comfort zone. And again, if I can encourage you, get out of your comfort zone and do things that scare you, and love yourself enough to don't let anyone stop you, and just go and chase after whatever your heart desires. With that, I also want to say thank you guys all so much for 50,000 subscribers. I'm actually now at like 51,000, which is crazy to me. We are so close to 100, and I know we're like 50,000, actually 49,000 away, but it took me so long to get to 50. I know it's not going to nearly take as much time to get to 100. I actually know I'm going to be at 100 definitely by the end of this year. So keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep telling your friends about me. I'm going to keep doing my thing and working hard and giving you guys inspirational messages and motivational videos. Today is not so motivational. But this is real life, y'all. It's real life. I'm still getting over sickness, and I'm still sick as a dog, and I've had every intention to clean this house. But yeah, I promise you guys I will continue to work incredibly hard, and I will not be that YouTuber that once I make it and I make tons of money that I'm just going to stop making content, and you're going to be like, well, where's Jill? Because I know how invested you can get in my family and in me and in my life, and I don't ever want to do that to you guys. So, thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I hope that this video inspired you in some kind of way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. I gotta stop talking. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.